Happy Friday. Welcome back to Chats with Chase, and here's today's tip.
You can see I have 4 simulations set up now. We have the fiberglass composite, the canoe with seats made with the rib tool, and the benches that were used to show the differences between compatible and incompatible meshing. In addition to those, I created a baseline model, which is just the hull made of polyethylene like the ribs and bench configurations. That's what we're looking at now. I ran all of these studies and we've got the results already. Instead of trying to remember the results of each different configuration individually, we can pull up the results of all of them at the same time. Using this compare results tool up here, we can select from a few different options. If we just show the current study, we can show up to 4 different result plots for the one study. These ones all only have 3 plots, which is why we only see 3 here. Showing all studies in this configuration does pretty much what it sounds like. Since this configuration only has 2 studies, that's all it'll show. Notice that it only checks one box under the composite study. That's because this can only show 4 plots at once. If I were to try and check another box down here, it'll throw an error. But I can come up and uncheck one of these, which will let me check one of these down here. Selecting all studies in all configurations will allow us to compare all 4 of our simulations to each other. I want to see the displacement in all of these, so I'll go through and uncheck everything else and check everything that says displacement. This box down here can be used to force all charts to show with the same options. I want to be able to see the different ranges for each individually though, so I'll leave it alone. I'll go ahead and click OK to accept this. It'll take this a little while to load since it has to pull data from all different locations, so I've jumped ahead to a point where that's already done. Now we can conveniently see all 4 displacement plots at once, so we can compare results and see how effective each design is. It's interesting to see how each of these behaves slightly different and displaces in different locations due to the varying geometry. The configurations with the benches actually showed higher maximum displacement, but it was focused between the ends and outside benches, whereas the empty canoes displaced all along the sides.
Thanks for watching. Contact me with any questions and have a great weekend.